How's that food?
Very good, thank you.
Would you like to say something to my dad?
Hi, Dad, love ya.
Would you like to say something to Eric?
Hi, Eric, love ya. Hi, Becky, love ya. Miss you guys. Wish you was here. Okay, here. Okay, I'm done.
What about Holly?
You never did tell me. Say hi to Holly. Hi, Holly. Love you too, honey.
What about Peter?
Okay, everybody, love you. Bye.
Whoa. Paula, say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody. Wish you were here. Lots of food. Even though my oven went out, we did good.
You sweet thing.
Hi there. Hi. Happy Thanksgiving.
Tamara,
No.
come on, say hi.
Say hi to everybody. Hi, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving.
Christopher.
Hi guys, happy
Oh,
Thanksgiving.
excuse me, that's Jim.
Yeah.
I keep on, every time I call him, it's like, this is Jim. No, it's not, it's Chris.
Hi everybody, happy Thanksgiving. Wish you were here. My son Joe.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Hi, Paul and Gloria. Happy Thanksgiving.
Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving. Wish you were here.
It's for everybody. I'm making a video and we're going to send it out to the dad. And
Happy Thanksgiving.
you got to look at the camera.
I am looking at the camera.
I can't see your eyes.
It's because they're very small, okay? When I smile. Hi.
Who are you?
I'm Kendall's mother.
Kendall's mother.
I'm Kendall. That's Laura's best friend forever.
It's like the, it's like the book, not the oil. Come on. Sure. For everybody. We're going to give this to everybody.
Huh?
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it's just what I needed. Say happy Thanksgiving to everybody.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I'm going to send it to everybody. It's not here.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Right.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I already said it, but hi again. Love you. Miss you, baby.
Hannah, you must turn around.
Oh, wait. Wait, let me get it. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and thank you for inviting me, and God bless you.
Dale.
For Dad and
Yep. Eric. Dad, Eric, everybody.
Everybody.
happy Thanksgiving. This is Uncle Dale and Dale. Dad and Eric.
This is Danny throwing your face. You say happy Thanksgiving, Dan?
Yeah, happy Thanksgiving.
All right.
See what you're missing out.
There's all the food here. All the food. All the food. Yeah, I'll tease them with all the good stuff, Dave. Look at all the pies. All right. Remember, kids.